Good day, Ma'am Dean. I will continue my memorization on terminologies of lie detection techniques. Same as before, ma'am. Print script. A creative and individualized combination of printing and cursive writing. Proportion or ratio. The size relation between the tall and the short letter is referred to as ratio of writing. Quality. A distinct or peculiar character along the related of the writing movement itself. Rhythm. The element of writing movement which is marked by regular or periodic recurrences of spontaneity. Rhythm R A B C D F G H I R is shading is the widening of the ink strokes due to the added pressure on a flexible pen point or to the use of a stub pen. Next one now is shading, significant writing habit. Any characteristic of handwriting that is sufficiently uncommon and well fixed to serve as a fundamental point in the identification. Significant writing habit. Simplification. It is eliminating extra or superfluous strokes from the copybook model. Size may refer to the overall dimension or the writing of the proportions between those. Scale is relative to degrees of ability or proficiency and being possessed by individual person. Continue later.